Speaker is in receipt of a communication from 5 honorable members. The Honorable Emmanuel Nyabega Gisesa notifying the Speaker that he will not be in today and he doesn't intend to participate in the said motion. So, you know, Honorable Emmanuel Gisesa is a member of UP and the chair of United Progressive Alliance. 2, the office of the Speaker, through the office of the Leader Majority, has 4 letters in the file notifying the office of the Speaker to accord them a chance to vote by proxies. I therefore invoke standing order number 1 and call the one Leader Majority, the Honorable Leader Majority, the Honorable George Abuga, to pronounce the names as read in that file and letters.
Thank you, Madam Speaker.
I now wish to excuse. Please resume your seat. I now wish to excuse the councils for the governor to take a leave to allow the county assembly to proceed. Your work is done. We appreciate and may God bless you. Honorable George Abuga, as they take a leave, pronounce the names. Kindly save us time. Sergeant Accountant's Office, assist the council's thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The office of the clerk, as we proceed, organize for the 14th. Honorable Leader Majority.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, we are in receipt of a letter from Honorable Julius Obono Nangana. We are in receipt of a letter appointing a proxy from Honorable Edina Mora Obara. We are in receipt of a letter appointing a proxy from Honorable Priscilla Natichi. We are in receipt of a letter appointing a proxy from Honorable Elijah Avere. Honorable Speaker, those are the letters that I have.
Thank you, Office of the Clerk. Honorable members, I also wish to invite you to Standing Order 67-4. On a question proposed for the decision in the County Assembly, the Speaker has no vote. And now put the question that this counter assembly approves the removal of His Excellency Honorable Amos NYARIBO, Governor of Nyamira County, from office by way of impeachment on the following grounds. 1. Gross violation of the Constitution of Kenya and other laws. 2. Abuse of office. Honourable members, I will invite you to standing order number 67, unless, what is it, leader of majority?
Honourable Speaker,
Upon standing on
point of order.
point of order, proceed.
Honourable Speaker, I'm standing on standing order number 67, subsection 3, that notwithstanding paragraph 2 above, the Speaker may, in exceptional circumstances, and on a request per member, allow the voting be done through secret ballot. Honourable Speaker, I request that the next exercise, which is voting, be done through secret ballot. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. I was inviting you to the same standing order, read from number 1, unless otherwise provided under the Constitution or any other written law. A question arising in the County Assembly shall be decided by a majority of the members in the County Assembly present and voting. In ascertaining the results on a question under paragraph 1, the Speaker shall, in the first instance, collect the voices of the ayes and the noes, and shall declare the results accordingly. Honourable members, I will also invite you to County Government Act, Section 33(2), and our standing orders 62, and then, because the Speaker will not be able to ascertain the number of ayes and nays by the voice, the 9 folks standing order number 1, and then accord the request put by the leader of majority to vote by secret ballots. Office of the Speaker, Office of the Clerk, on the same note, Office of the Speaker is the receipt